Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. This time we're taking you out to a little bit of a different event. We're going out to the Town of Hilliard's Independence Day Golf Cart Parade. They had quite a few golf carts out there. It was a good little event, a little quick event. We took a lot of pictures, a lot of video. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
I knew it would be. It's still daylight. They're buzzing through so fast it's blurry.
You zooming in or what?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh hell, I had the camera too high.
Go front! Go front!
I didn't see Jerry and Linda that time.
All right, everybody. That's going to wrap up this video from the Town of Hilliard's Independence Day Golf Cart Parade. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep this video coming your way. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers. Any likes, subscribes, comments, shares would help. Share us around to your friends, your car people, your non-car people. We don't discriminate on this channel. We try to do all kinds of different things. And anyway, like I say on all my videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We'll keep going out to the car shows and events as long as you guys keep watching the videos. So we'll see you guys out there.